According to Google, your play balance is non-transferable. Well, that's in a direct sense because they are creative ways for you to transfer your play balance to your bank account. And that's just what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Stay tuned. The first method I'll be showing you is something that you've probably already tried before, but you didn't do it right. However, let's make sure that you actually did this right and it didn't work out for you, even though I know that it might work out for some of you. So you want to go to your Google Play Store on the Google Play Store website. You click on your account and then you go to payment and subscriptions. Here you should see the different payment methods that you've already added to your Google Play balance. Okay. From here, you can add your bank account directly by clicking on this add a payment method, which will prompt you to add a bank account. Okay, so from here you can now add your bank account directly and then try to transfer the funds, the play balance, from Play Store to your bank account. Now if this method doesn't work out for you, you have a second option that is quite reliable and also quite costly. The second option that you can have is to use a reward converter app. These reward converter apps are reliable when it comes to transferring your play balance to your bank account or even other digital wallet like PayPal, Cash App, or any other thing of your choice. As long as you're able to transfer your funds from your play balance to your bank account or even Paytm if you're in India, you should be able to withdraw it to other wallets. But since we're looking to transfer funds from play balance to our bank account, we will need to use the reward converter to transfer the funds. Okay, this reward converter charges you 40% of the amount you're transferring. So say you're transferring 100 USD, you will be charged 40 USD as a service fee. Yes, it is quite expensive and costly, but it is a good alternative over the first method. So for you to use this application, you just want to download it from the video description, and then you open the application. It should look just as so. From here now, you want to select your payout as a bank account. You want to select your bank account as a payout method, and then you select how much you want to withdraw from your play balance, and then you click on submit. From submit now, you want to enter your name, your mobile number, and your bank account. Okay, now you want to confirm the amount that you are withdrawing from the application, from your play balance. Okay, you want to confirm the conversion amount and make sure that you accept these fees. Okay, you can see that it is 40% of the amount that you are withdrawing. Okay, confirm your bank name, your bank number, and then you confirm the method. From there now, you will just want to click on convert amount to transfer your play balance to your bank account. The overall process should take a few minutes, so you just need to wait for some time for the transaction to complete. For sure, each and every one of these methods have their own benefits and downsides. Of course, the downsides of the second method are way higher because you'll be actually charged for the service. Meanwhile, with Play Store, you won't be charged for the service. So as another alternative, I'm going to recommend that you use your pay balance to purchase stuff through Google Play as Google recommends. Okay, because officially you cannot transfer these funds. So if you want to use other methods or if you want to sell your balance, there is a cost coming with this. Okay, so you just want to use your play balance as intended with Play services. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.